Input unlock. Input administration. Input unlock information. Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 1 to add administrator setting. Input administration information. Please input again. 001 successful. Press 2 for user setting. Press 1 to add user. Input unlock information. Please input again. 010 successful. Input unlock information. Please input again. Please input. 011 successful. Input unlock information. 012 successful. Unlocked. 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 Input unlock information. Unlocked. Input unlock information. Input administration information. Press 3 for system setting. Press 2 for unlock mode. Press 2 for combination unlock. Successful.